Hi family and friends, this is JU. If you're around here in the Sacramento area, Northern California, you know that the American shad are coming back to the Sacramento River. And it's really exciting. We're all waiting to catch them. They're a lot of fun to catch. My brother TC of Connected Fishing recently released a video to show you how to catch the American shad from the bank. Last year, he showed you how to catch the shad from the boat. And one of the things that he used is this, the Sabiki rig for American shad. Okay? Now, you know, when you open these packages up, it's a big mess. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple organizer to keep them organized once they're outside of the bag. I got this idea once again from Connected Fishing. I was fishing on his boat and I first saw it. So I don't know where he got it from, but I'm going to give him the credits because I first see it in his boat. So what you need is just some scrounge around the house for some 3 1/4 inch pipe. You can see it's dirty because it's some spare one I got around the house. A spare piece of noodle like this. You can get it at $1.25 store or at Walmart or wherever you want it. So I got a spare one around the house. What you're going to need is a pencil, pipe cutter, and if you don't have a pipe cutter, a hacksaw will do fine. Tape measure. You're going to need a cup hooks, something to cut the noodles with, and of course the Sabiki rig and a drill bit, electric drill bit with a tiny little drill to drill the hole so it won't crack. So let's get started. Measure up 8 inches of this thing. Right there, okay? And the same thing. Let's cut this 8 inches off here first. The amazing thing with a pipe cutter is you can cut them right there. A lot easier than if you would if you didn't have it. You have to use a hacksaw otherwise. Okay? And you're going to measure 8 inches from here. Mark right there. Okay, and so you take this, cut 8 inches off of here. Pretty easy to do. You can use a knife cutter too if you want, a box cutter if you want. Just cut off this 8 inches here. Twist off. And now you're going to have to mark 1 inch off of this. Use your pencil and mark 1 inch apart. So here's 1 inch. Okay. So there you go. Now you need to drill a little hole to each one of these guys. Put this cup holder into it. Alright, I like to mount the point the same way. Alright family, notice I like to keep all these things pointing one direction, okay? Next up, I just gotta do is cut this foam straight like that. Okay, and now I'm almost done. All I gotta do is put this around into this noodle. So, alright. Okay. What am I going to do next? As you know, as I already told you, when you open up the Sabiki to be ready for shad fishing, like here, it's going to be real difficult to put it back together in this little contraption they give you. as most angler will agree with me, once you take this off of this contraption here, it's really hard to put it back in again. So here you go. You put a weight down the bottom, attach this to your main line here, and start jigging it. I know TC like to put a rub there. You can, but you don't have to, okay? See this mess right here in my hand? How are you gonna put that bitch back in here, nice and neat? So that's why I make this. So this is what you do with this. You can organize it that way. When you're in the boat, you're ready to fish. So you clip it into here, go one direction. You get to here, to this knot here. See how messy it is already here? Ouch. You're tangled up already. See, that's why you want to do this before you go out to the boat, so you don't have to be messing with this. So you reel it through, all the way through. And you have this hook, first hook here, you clip them onto here. Now remember, California regulation only allow you to use 3 hooks at a time. So this came with 3 hooks. You don't have to cut any extra one out. Keep going around. Take the second hook here. Hook it into the line here. Keep on going around. See how messy it is? That's why you need to make this hook organizer. So you can keep it nice and tidy and ready to go fishing. Okay? And so finally, when you get here to the end, with this end here, you wrap around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's it, family. You do the same thing to this other Sabiki rig. Take it out and get it ready for your fishing trip. Notice I like the pink and the green. That's what most people use out here. Take this part out first here. Okay. Maybe I'll do this. Keep it nice and tidy. Once again, tighten it and do 3 loops around your line. 1, 2, 3. So it's really easy now for you to be fishing in the river. I hope that's helpful to you guys. As I say, there are very many good fishing video channels out there. I do appreciate you guys coming to check out my channel. Until the next time, peace out, family. Woo! Bam!